Please remain seated and come to order. Department 30 is now in session.
Number W14, People versus Christopher Brown, case BA3-53571.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mark Geragos, Geragos, with Mr. Brown is present.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Donald Etra, ETRA, representing Robin Rihanna Fenty, the victim in this case.
Mr. Geragos, Mr. Murray, what's happening?
Your Honor, if it's acceptable to the court, I've talked with the DA, and what our pleasure is to continue the arraignment to April the 6th. There'll be a time waiver. In addition, in case that there needs to be something done prior to then, I've got a waiver of presence under 977B, and I'd like to have my client execute that in open court, and I believe that the court has to just inquire of him if that's acceptable and if he will do it, just in case we need to do something procedurally so we won't shut down the courthouse in the interim.
As long as it's not an essential proceeding.
That's correct, and I've explained it to him. I have the waiver right here. I'll have him sign it in open court if I can borrow a pen from Mr. Etra. Just sign right there. Thank you. It's signed in open court, and if I could, I'll just file it with your clerk.
I've also given a copy.
Okay. So if it's acceptable to the court, I'd ask that we decide on April the 6th.
April 6th.
All right. Before we do that, Mr. Brown, I did receive the waiver that you just signed, and you understand that you do have the right to be present at all stages of this criminal proceeding?
Yes.
And you are giving your attorney the right to appear in your behalf without your presence for any matter that is not essential to this case, more procedural in nature. Is that what you understand by signing this order?
Yes.
The court will accept that word. And you wanted to continue the arraignment?
Yes, please, Your Honor. And I explained to him that requires a time waiver.
And Ms. Murray, April 6th is agreeable with the people for the arraignment? Mr. Brown, you do have the right to be arraigned today and have your trial within 60 days of today's date. Do you now waive time and agree to continue your arraignment to April 6th this year?
Yes, ma'am.
You're ordered to appear on April 6th at 8:30 a.m. in this Department 30 for your arraignment, and bail post is to stand. Mr. Brown, you are ordered not to annoy, harass, molest, threaten, or use force or violence against anyone. And you don't have a no contact order?
Your Honor, Ms. Fenty does not request that type of order.
All right. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. I am signing this protective order. Remain in court until you receive a copy of it. Anything else?
Your Honor, may the record reflect people have turned over to Mr. Geragos a complaint that's been filed in this case.
That's correct. That's correct.
All right. That's yours.
That's it. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.